So I've been away for the past 4 weeks traveling around Asia. I started off in Turkey before heading to Singapore, and then Thailand, Hong Kong, China, and then finally Korea before heading back home. Came back with this awesome watch 10. I was just out there to have fun, but I did keep up with my emails to keep in touch with companies so that I'd have stuff to review when I came back home. I might have agreed to too many things though. Now I did start opening up some of these, as you can see, but then I realized I probably could make a video out of this, so here we are. Some of it's unboxed, some of it's not, but let's just get started. Alright, so first off we have these newer lenses for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We have the 0.75x wide angle lens and the 1.2x blue anamorphic lens. I'm actually excited about that wide angle lens because I lost mine actually a year ago and I never replaced it, so I have a new one. Alright, next I have this PowerMag power bank from SIXTHGU. SIXTHGU? It's a power bank. I reviewed a lot of power banks, so not surprised to see this one in the mail. And next we have the GODOX Cube C wireless microphone. I actually started off this channel making vlogs, which nobody watched, and then I started talking about all the camera gear I would bring with me when I'm traveling, and that actually caught on. So I started doing more camera gear reviews, but now I just do pretty much anything that tech-wise that people send me. But yep, gotta do this by next month sometime. I have a month to make this video. Alright, then here we have the GLYDCHARGE high capacity remote controlled power bank. This is a remote controlled power bank, and I don't know why you would need a remote control for a power bank. I guess that's why I need to review it. But yep, here's another power bank. Alright, next we have this NEARITY open Bluetooth earphone. I think this is like a transcribing thing. I honestly don't know what I agreed to when I said I'd review this, but I'm pretty sure it's like a transcribing headset. Maybe. Alright, so next we have the PISEN Power Tiny 30-watt power bank. It's another power bank. How many have I got done? Oh, just one. But yeah, like I was saying, I do a lot of power bank reviews, so here's another one. What else? What's already pre-opened over here? Oh, I got this thing here from IDOLCAM. I actually reviewed this section before in a previous video. You can check it out over. I don't know what side. This side. I think it's on this side. You can check that out over here later. But yep, they gave another accessory for it for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but it's pretty much for any lightweight cameras, and you know, it keeps it with that third axis bounce camera gear stuff again. But but yep, I gotta review this. I haven't even used it yet, so I don't know how well this thing works. But yeah, here it is. Alright, next, what do we got? This already. Oh, I got this tech pouch here from EPICKA. They've actually been pretty good to me. They sent me this. I'm pretty sure it's in here. There it is. I actually reviewed this power 45-watt thing. I forgot what it is. It's not a power brick. Power brick? I made a video on this before, and I told them I was traveling around Asia for a while, and they sent me this travel tech pouch to check out. They didn't ask to make a video, but I'm gonna make one on this anyways because it's pretty cool. I actually used this a lot when I was traveling, and it kept everything organized. It's a little bit bulkier than I'd like, but it was pretty useful. But yep, the EPICKA tech pouch. All right, what do we got next? This one's open already. We have the, this is the SLINGTV box. I actually got this right before I left. It's like a fancy Chromecast that allows you to stream illegally. I don't know if that's exactly what it is, but I know you can stream stuff illegally on here. I don't know how I'm gonna make this video on this because I don't want to promote that. But yeah, this is the competitor to the Superbox S6 that you can get on Amazon actually. This is the SLINGTV box. It's not part of SLINGTV, but it's called the SLINGTV box. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting to make that video. And then we got this portable jet fan here. I've done a few of these fans before. This one is from someone. I don't know, there's no name on it. But I know I was playing with this earlier, and this thing is super strong. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'll be reviewing this later. God. Turn off. Okay. But yeah, I'll be reviewing that later. I guess we can start opening some packages here. Let's start off with this. This is from, oh, I took off all the labels and I have nothing to cut this open with. This package here, I don't know who this is from because I took all the labels off. So I guess we're finding out everything together. I agreed to a lot of things, so I don't know what's in half of these things. I don't remember what I agreed to. Here we have magnetic cables. These are from, who's this from? I don't know who this is from. I know I worked with this company before. Oh, I don't know why they don't have the brand on the box though. Or unless this is something else that I agreed to. Magnetic cables. We check those out later on. These are magnetic StayCables. I'll have everything linked in the description if you want to check any of this stuff out later on. Alright, next, let's go ahead and open up this guy. I don't know, I keep looking at labels. There's no labels on here. We have some PISEN fast charger charging bricks here. We got a 30 watt and a 45 watt here. They're charging bricks. I don't know what, yeah. Alright, next we got it over here. Individually. I got a slight cold, by the way, in case you can't tell, but I'm trying to not have it sound so bad, but if I sound a little bit weird, I got a little bit of a cold going on. Milk tea. Did I agree to milk tea? Did I buy this? Oh no, I did agree to milk tea because I was going through Asia. Yeah, I was actually filming some B-roll stuff when I was out in Asia. I had duck poo when I was in Shanghai. Duck poo milk tea. It was good though, honestly. But yeah, this is from EWIO. Is that the brand? But yeah, I've got some milk teas here. We got matcha and jasmine. I'll try this out later on. Make a video of that, of course. Not really tech related, but I'll take it. All right, where's the good stuff at? What do we got in here? This is a lavalier microphone from, I don't know, RYTHFLO? Don't know who that's from, but I got a wireless lav mic set here to review. I guess it's similar to like the GODOX one from earlier, but this is from another brand. I don't see a brand on here. Whatever. I'll compare it with the GODOX later. All right, what do we got in this one? What is this? Oh, this is a iPhone case from. This is from MAGBAK. Yep, this is the phone case from MAGBAK. They gave me an accessory kit for it too, so accessorize it. I would open this up, but I'm gonna save it for the video. I'm actually excited about this one. This one's gonna be pretty cool to open up. And what do we got here? This is from Kent Faith. I'm pretty sure I know what this one is. This should be a filter set, a magnetic filter set for my camera, 82 millimeters. I'm pretty sure that's what this one is. From K&F. Here it is. It's over there. K&F Concept magnetic filters. Yeah, I knew it. This has the adapter ring, circular polarizer, ND8, ND64, lens cap. This is gonna be cool to review because what have I been using? I've been using the Polar Pro, but I use the screw-on one, so the magnetic one's gonna be a lot easier to use. I can just snap on and off when I need something, because sometimes I don't need a filter on my camera, and it's kind of a pain to keep unscrewing it when I'm walking indoors and screwing it back on when I'm going outdoors. So magnetic filters from K&F Concepts. All right, let's open this guy up. Oh, Jesus Christ. What we got here? This is the ZENIKO mini camera flash. Like I was saying earlier, I started off doing camera gear stuff, and I guess this is another brand, ZENIKO. I don't even remember agreeing to this one, but mini camera flash. That would be cool to try that out. I'm not really a photographer, so I don't really use flashes. I mostly just make videos, but I'll try it out. What we got here? This is this is 3 cases from CRAVE for the iPhone 16, I'm assuming, the Pro Max. Yes, we have a black, a gray, and a blue. I actually worked with CRAVE before on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I think they gave me a case for my 12 Pro Max too. But I made a video with CRAVE before. They gave me 3 more cases to check out. So yeah, I'll be doing that later on. All right, what do we got here? All right, here we have what is this? Vlogmate Mini. Oh, I think this is a screen for your phone. Does it only work for iPhones? Compatible iPhone 5 to 16. So yeah, this is a screen for your iPhone, so you can take videos of your back camera and still have a screen on it. I did a video on something similar over here. Similar to this before. This is from, I think this is from Shimbal. This is the TP5, something like that. And this one's pretty nice. I like this one. This is wireless. And this one, I'm pretty sure was wired, or is wired. So, yep, a screen for your iPhone. All right, next, this tiny one here. Oh, cool. This is a wallet from, who's this from? PUNCUBE. This is similar to like the Ridge wallets, but this one is not Ridge. It's a PUNCUBE. It's got a money clip too. Oh, I'll take a closer look at that later on. But yeah, pretty cool wallet from PUNCUBE. I think they were on Kickstarter, but they also have a website where you can buy the stuff now too. That's gonna be cool to replace my wallet actually with this. Oh, I forgot about this thing that I opened up. This is a USB-C docking station for my desk. I actually already have it set up over there because I just wanted to do it already. I wanted it set up. But yeah, I forgot who this is from also. What are the brands on these things? But yeah, that's already set up. I'll be reviewing that later on. And what we got in this bag? Here we have, from FIFINE. I actually did a wireless mic video for them before, somewhere over there. I don't know where it's at. This is their K688 dynamic microphone. I actually don't have a microphone like this. I should probably have one as a tech reviewer, but I don't. So it's nice that I got one now. So yeah, this is probably the one I use for now. XLR and USB. All right, yeah, seems pretty cool. I probably got to buy a stand for this too, huh? Great. Oh, geez, I got more over here. That's already open. This is a portable SSD from IDSONIX. This is for your iPhone, so you can record in ProRAW and not waste all it. When you record in ProRAW on your iPhone, it uses a lot of memory. So it's nice to have a external memory SSD for it to make videos. I actually opened this earlier. This came also right before I left for my trip. I brought this with me on my trip to Asia, and it worked. I got no complaints about it. Nah. Well, I do have a complaint about it, but I guess wait for the video though. Alright, got this, oh geez. This is from CAMDUCK. I don't know if I'm gonna make this video either, but this is it's a Wi-Fi camera, like a hidden camera thing. I'm not a fan of like hidden camera stuff. I don't know why I agreed to this, but here it is. It's a outlet, it goes plugged into your outlet and it has a hidden camera in there. I don't know if I can make this video. I really don't like hidden camera things. I don't know, it just seems weird to me, but I did agree to it, so yeah. And oh jeez, what we got here? Oh nice, I know what this is. This is a drone from RUKO. They told me they were going to send this to me before I left for Asia. This is their, which one is this exactly? The U11Mini 4K drone. I think this is an under 250 gram drone from RUKO. I actually reviewed a lot of their drones before. They sent me a lot of their stuff to review. And I like it. Their stuff's pretty good. It's a nice alternative to drones instead of having to always go through DJI and stuff like that. But yeah, this is gonna be a fun video to make. I love flying drones, so I'm gonna have fun with that one. All right, and then here, what is this one? This is pretty huge. Oh my gosh, what the hell is this? What is this? This is the F11 Camping Fan. Is that all it is? It's just a fan? But yep, here it is, the OGERY Camping Fan. I guess I'll be reviewing this too. I don't remember what's so special about this one. It has something here at the bottom. I'll look at this later. Let me do that later. And then next I have this chair here. This is from FLEXISPOT. They actually gave me a 72-inch desk that I use actually as my main desk, a standing desk. I don't remember which model it is, but it's that standing desk over there. I made a video on it, and yeah, I like that desk. So now I have a matching chair to go with it. This chair is heavy though. It's 45 pounds. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, it's a chair. And then back here, as you can see, I have a desk. It's not a standing desk. This is an L-shaped desk. It's a 72-inch desk from Sedata. It's a 72-inch L desk. That's gonna be fun. This is heavy. This thing's like over 100 pounds. That's gonna be fun to set up, but it's gonna suck too because I don't really have a lot of space in here. Because my old desk, I have a 60-inch standing desk I'll get from FLEXISPOT that I paid for that one myself. But that's over in that room. My girlfriend took over that desk. And then I have the 72-inch desk here, which I use as my main desk. And now I have another 72-inch L desk. And I don't know, I just don't have space for all this. And I know I have another desk coming in too from, I forgot what other company is sending that to me. Jeez, I don't know. But yeah, this is everything that's come in the past 4 weeks, and I know I still have more stuff coming in. Jeez, I'm gonna be so behind making these videos. Oh man. I don't have any order I plan to make these videos, but if there's something you want me to review, just let me know in the comments and I'll probably work on that first because I don't know. There's a lot to go do. And make sure you subscribe and follow along because I'll be giving a lot of this stuff away because honestly, I'm just running out of space for everything. Like, I really don't know what I'm gonna do with this L desk, this 72-inch L desk over here. Like, and then I agreed to another desk that's coming in. Oh, geez, what am I doing? All right, I need to go unpack because I literally just got back last night. This jet lag's gonna destroy me for a while. See ya.